What are you two talking about?
What are you two talking about?
What did you do last night?
What did you do last night?
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
What did you think?
What did you think?
What do they study?
What do they study?
What do you have?
What do you have?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What happened?
What happened?
What is it?
What is it?
What is that?
What is that?
What should I wear?
What should I wear?
What's in it?
What's in it?
What's this?
What's this?
What's up?
What's up?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Which is better, the spaghetti or chicken salad?
Which is better, the spaghetti or chicken salad?
Which one do you want?
Which one do you want?
Which one is cheaper?
Which one is cheaper?
Which one is the best?
Which one is the best?
Which school does he go to?
Which school does he go to?
Who are they?
Who are they?
Who are you looking for?
Who are you looking for?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Who taught you that?
Who taught you that?
Who's calling?
Who's calling?
Why did you say that?
Why did you say that?
Will you pass me the salt, please?
Will you pass me the salt, please?
Will you put this in the car for me?
Will you put this in the car for me?
Would you ask him to call me back, please?
Would you ask him to call me back, please?
Yes.
Yes.
You have a very nice car.
You have a very nice car.
You look like my sister.
You look like my sister.
Are you waiting for someone?
Are you waiting for someone?
Are you working today?
Are you working today?
Bring me my shirt, please.
Bring me my shirt, please.
Do you like to watch TV?
Do you like to watch TV?
Do you like your boss?
Do you like your boss?
Have you finished studying?
Have you finished studying?
He works at a computer company in New York.
He works at a computer company in New York.
He's an engineer.
He's an engineer.
He's very hard working.
He's very hard working.